Welcome back to the vlog, everyone, and welcome to Croatia. Hello everyone, we have landed for our layover in New York. Currently in the United Club Lounge, having a Bloody Mary, and we have 5 hours to wait before we depart, so I think we're gonna watch some movies, TV shows. Croatia for our 9-hour flight. We are snuggled up. Okay, so we arrived in Dubrovnik, Croatia, probably around 11 a.m. So we headed to the Airbnb we were staying at just to check our luggage in because they said that they would hold it, which was really, really convenient. First stop, gelato or pepinos. This cute little farmer's market had fresh fruit, honey, lavender, all the things Dubrovnik is known for, and they were set up every single day that we were there. After a little exploring, we decided we wanted to get a drink, so we went to the famous Booze Bar, which is right on the outside of the wall overlooking the cliff. And typically this place is supposed to be really, really packed with tourists, and I think we just got really lucky because it wasn't. We found a seat almost right away. So typically this wouldn't be my go-to spot, but I really, really ended up enjoying it. We actually come back another day because it was just super chill and it was so relaxing, especially after a really long day of travel. I need to watch where to go. Little apartment tour. So we've got a bathroom, and bedroom. Nice and simple. And look how cute. Alright, vlog. So we took a nap. I'm pretty sure that I got like only 5 hours of sleep in the last 2 nights. So forcing ourselves to get up painfully so right now. And we haven't quite decided what we're gonna do, whether we're gonna go do dinner or like go get like some fast food and bring it back here since we are so tired. Yeah, baby.
You can't spell vacation without bar.
Alright, so we ordered, obviously my Aperol, beer, and we ordered 3 different bruschettas. I think both of these have burrata cheese on it, which is pretty much why we chose it, because we love our burrata cheese.
I'm pretty sure that's some mozzarella.
Look how beautiful that is. Wow. All right, we have gelato number 2 for the day today. And now we have to walk all these stairs back to our apartment. Let's go. Good morning, vlog. I decided to take a little stroll this morning from still sleeping. It is quiet, but still there's a lot of people out, which is surprising. This is my view right now. And now I'm headed to the infamous Holy Brook. Gotta try one. I'm gonna grab coffee and one of those and bring it back to the boyfriend. And it's supposed to rain today. So we'll see if it does. Right now, it doesn't look like it's going to, but we'll see. All right, so I got 3 for me and my boyfriend to share. Cheese, spinach, and chicken. Okay, came back to the room to try this. It's freaking delicious. Delicious. It does kind of remind me of a spanakopita, minus the feta.
Spices or something in there.
No.
It does.
It's crazy.
Is that what that is?
I think it's just the fiber in the mandarin. Super cute. So after our little caffeine stop, we stumbled upon the memorial room for the defenders of Dubrovnik. This is a memorial for the fallen citizens from the bombing in the 90s, and it is free to enter. Now, as you can see, Dubrovnik is hustling. We were here in a shoulder season, and this is still as busy as it got. I mean, it was just crazy. So it's getting a little chilly out, which we did not really properly back for. So we decided to come back to our apartment and just have a drink here. Because this city is a lot more expensive than the cities that we typically have visited in the past, which I did know before we came. It more closely reflects prices in America, which again is not unexpected. I did know that, but anything we wanted to do, we can't really do today because the weather has just been really unpredictable. out today, so we kind of just been walking around, eating and drinking, and that gets kind of expensive. So we decided to chill for a little bit. I'm really excited for our dinner spot that we're going to tonight. It came recommended by a friend who was here in Croatia last year, and we made reservations for 6:30. So I'm excited for that. I think we probably won't do much between now and then. I think it's about 1:30 now. And yeah. I cannot get enough of this view though. That's nice. That has a great flavor profile. Oh my gosh. Ooh, is that like a pine nut or walnut? Oh, it's a walnut. Oh, the beets are so fine and thin, they're like falling apart.
That was a very creamy as well.
Oh my god. That is delish. Highly recommended by a friend. First dish, 10 out of 10. It does, but it looks delicious. Great. So we've got the house red, tuna tartare. Why are you using a fork? I'm just gonna try it raw. Okay. Nice.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's dig in. All right, so I got the white fish. And you got a traditional pasta. I cannot pronounce it.
Me either.
It's like a
Kablinky
beef,
badinky.
like a beef sauce of some sort. So here we go.
I think it was sporky, right? Sporky galore.
I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine, but
I think it was sporky something.
Hot. Oh, it's hot. No good? I'm gonna try yours. Even though I don't really eat beef, I'm gonna try it.
It's
I feel like.
it's very beef prevalent.
Is it? Okay.
Yes. I don't think you're gonna like it.
It's not that I don't like the taste of beef, it just used to upset my
It
stomach.
almost tastes like a beef stew as a pasta.
Oh, wow. It has like a sweetness to it. Oh, guys, this restaurant. Pretty awesome.
This restaurant is kind of a bomb.
This restaurant is definitely bomb. So you just said this restaurant is kind of bomb?
It's kind of a bomb. Yeah.
It is the bomb. This is freaking delicious. I don't know what this guy is, but we're gonna try it. Some potato thing maybe?
Fried potato. It's a fried mashed potato. Is it?
Whatever it is, it's good. Getting a nice local wine plate. Gosh, look at this place. Cheers. So after stopping for a quick breakfast, we were off to our boat day. Now the weather was not great. It was a little chilly, a little overcast, but we didn't want to reschedule the boat because we had already missed out on so many other things because of weather. So we decided to make the best of it and just move forward with the boat day and hope for the best. And it turned out to be actually a really beautiful day. So this is a, what's it called?
Red scorpion.
Apparently she's the queen of the sea. So here we go. They're good looking. Well, you know, he said it's rare that there's that. Oh my gosh, that's so. I can't believe we just saw this. So cute. We've seen them all over. I know, they're just sleeping. Here at a bakery. Got 4 pastries. Why 4? I have no idea. For only €5.50. Cheap. All those bread was very good. It's only $1. Holy bird. Definitely takes the cake. But it's 6 times as expensive. It's like they knew that I was going to come back and feed them. So since the weather had been really crappy, we last minute booked this day trip to Ston and Korcula just to give us something to do. And it ended up raining on us for the first time in the whole trip. But not just the rain, the tour itself was not great. The tour guide was really awful. But, you know, it was worth seeing. I'm glad we did it, but I definitely would not do it again. We are on step like a 900, basically. Oh, I didn't even know there was a Hard Rock Cafe here. see that?
Oh yeah. How did we miss that?
I don't know. We've literally missed.
And a pen.
Good morning, vlog. It is another day in Croatia. Today we are packing up from our Airbnb and we are moving over to a resort in another part of Dubrovnik called the Pod. We have not been blessed with the best weather, and we are all the things we had planned that were outside were actually in the city, and so now we're moving out of the city and the weather's clearing up, of course, but it's a beautiful day so far. So nice to see the sun and clear skies. I don't know how long it'll last. There is a 20% chance of rain projected for later, but for now we're gonna go have breakfast with a view and check our luggage for luggage storage and just cross our fingers that we have a beautiful day ahead of us. I think the plan is currently to do some museums if the weather's not great. If the weather's great, then we'll do a mix of museums and sightseeing. I think we're going to save the wall for tomorrow. We might go to Panorama today. I know the world is our oyster, as long as the weather stays clear. Today I am wearing this really cute white vest that I have. I'll give it my brush there. This really cute white vest. And these like mom style jeans. And then I'm gonna wear this cute pair of sandals that I have. These guys right here. Definitely had to save the white outfit for a not rainy day because that would not be great. Anyway, I'm going to blow dry my hair, put some makeup on, and then finish packing up, and I will keep you guys updated on how the day progresses. Just hanging out with my friend the pigeon. After breakfast, we decided to head to the fortress since the weather was holding up. And the fortress and the wall, as well as some museums, are all part of the Dubrovnik Pass. It's way cheaper to buy that than to go ahead and buy all the tickets separately. So I do recommend that. The walk up to the fortress was quite exhausting. A lot of steps, but once you got to the top, it was totally worth it. we are back at Trattoria Carmen. This place was so good the first day we came here that we decided to come back. So, best espresso martini I've had here so far. We're about to dig into this tuna tartare. Cheers. After this, we are going to take an Uber to our second hotel, and that will wrap up part 1 of my Dubrovnik vlog.